Hi guys, I'm gonna do a quick video just to let those of you who don't already know that I am doing a signal service on the Nadex platform. We've been doing it probably now for about 2 months, I think, or so. It's been going pretty good, and I'm gonna do it on this PowerPoint slideshow real quick because I just want to remember to tell you guys everything so I don't leave anything out. Okay, so we call trades for the hourly and the daily time frames on the Nadex platform. If you trade another platform that is not Nadex, you can still take the signals because what I'm doing is calling up or down movement. I'm calling to buy and when to sell. The only reason it's specifically dedicated to Nadex is because I also do call the strike price as well. Okay. So the trades are broadcasted via the Telegram app. I call the trades Monday through Thursday. All the times listed below are in Eastern Standard Time. For the hourly and 2-hour time trade times, first trade call every day is at 7 a.m. The last trade call for the morning session is 3 p.m. That trade ends at 5 o'clock and Nadex closes down for end of day processing. They reopen at 6, but the first available trade that I call is from 7 o'clock on till midnight. The trades are called every hour. If there is not a trade available for that particular hour, I will send a notice just to let you know so you wouldn't be waiting on a trade. Typically, for these, I call the trade definitely within the first 10 minutes of the hour, but most likely it's within the first 5 minutes of the hour. For the daily trade times, there's 3 times. I call one trade at 9 o'clock. Well, however many trades are available, I call it at 9 o'clock. The trade is either going to end at 7 a.m., which is a full 24-hour trade for the most part, or 22 hours. And the other option is to take the trade that ends at 7 p.m., which is that trade is already halfway through by the time I call it. The next trade time for daily trades is 1 p.m. That trade is either going to run the full duration and end at 11 a.m., or it's going to be the time frame that is halfway through the trade, ends at 11 p.m. The other time frame is 6 o'clock p.m., and that trade, if it runs full duration, is going to end at 3 a.m. Or I'll pick the one that is halfway through the trade already to end at 3 p.m. It's pretty much whatever my setup calls for. Everything is adjusted for each time frame that's mentioned. Sometimes I'll call multiple trades in an hour or multiple trades on the daily trade times as well. I only trade for the currency pairs. I call all 10 currency pairs, but my first 4, the ones that I use the most, are the Aussie USD, the Euro USD, and the USD Yen. And then the 4th one, and it's only during the morning session, is the USD CHF. Those are the ones that I prefer to call because I'm more familiar with how they move. I like those the best. But if none of those are available, then I will go and look at the other 6 pairs to see if there is anything available to call within those 6 pairs. The trades that I call are slightly in the money trades. That means that the strike price that I'm calling is usually going to be a 40-60 split, meaning the profit is going to be about $40. The risk is matching that, which is going to be $60. If the profit was going to be $35, the risk would be $65. The profit was $50, the risk would be $50. Everything is going to total either 0 or 100. The trades that I call in at least 80% in the money at the expiry. However, 90% of the time, there is a profit that is able to be taken before the trade even expires. The difference is sometimes the trade will be in profit the whole trade and something will happen in the market in the last 10 or 15 minutes of the trade. It just goes south. But a lot of times my traders have taken profit before that even happens. That happens more often than not. Okay, I'm just going to show you a couple of screenshots from some of the trades that we've taken in the past. Here's one that has 7 trades. The first 4 trades expire in 19 minutes from the time of the screenshot. The last 3 expire in an hour and 19 minutes. And every time I call a trade, I do list the screenshots there to keep anyone who's not looking at their Telegram app who's not looking at their Nadex, platform. I just kind of post the trades to keep you updated throughout, the time of the trade. Every hour I'm going to post a screenshot. It lets you know what trades are going on, when the trades are going to end, just to keep you updated. So these are all based upon one contract. So in this case, this was a $32 profit. Here's a $30 profit. You could have taken profit on these trades, or you could just wait till expiry. Again, they're based on one contract. So if you did two contracts, this, for instance, would be a $60 profit instead of $30. But you're also risking twice as much as well. Okay. This particular screenshot, this trade ends in 1 hour and 58 minutes. These two end in 58 minutes, and these two end in almost 9 hours. So these are an example of the daily trades that I call. Here's a profit of $25. If it was two contracts, it would have been a profit of $50, and you can always exit these trades early with profit. Another screenshot is showing these trades are ending in 1 hour and 30 minutes. These trades are ending in almost 10 hours. So these are daily trades that have just gotten started. And you see profits here on these. And then another one, you have a $23 profit, $15 profit. Okay. This is just showing you how some of my trades ended. The 100 means that the trade won. The 0 means the trade lost. If I took it long, that means I bought it. If I took it short, it means I sold it. These are the prices that I bought and sold for. So these represent the profit and the risk on each trade. And here's another one. Again, the 100 means the trade won. The 0 means it lost. And these are some of the numbers that I've called as far as the trades. And this is just kind of giving you an example of a typical day. This is for 4 hours of trading. So it must have been, I'm looking for the time here. Okay, this is the morning trading session. If someone had taken all 12 of the trades that I called, looking at the numbers and adding everything up, subtracting the loss, profit would have been 406.38, and that would have been just the morning session, it looks like, from some of these times here. Yeah, because the last trade ended at 2 o'clock here. Okay, so the profit would have been 406.38 if this was just one contract. This is just based upon one contract. Okay. And another thing, if you want to go ahead and join my trade room, I do provide you with light training information. It explains everything about Nadex and how to calculate what your losses are going to be and your profits are going to be before you even enter the trade. It tells you where to go. If I call this strike price, this currency pair, it kind of walks you through everything. I also explain how to exit trades manually for profit and for loss. And I also explain how to set up your take profit to automatically take you out of the trade once you meet your desired profit amount. Okay, so all of those things are taken care of in the training information that I do send to you upon sign up. If you have any questions, please send me an email to youngcommerce@gmail.com. That is youngcommerce@gmail.com. And let's get you started today. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.